Once upon a time, in a cozy little village nestled between green hills, there lived a curious bunny. Bunny named Bunny. Bunny was always eager to explore new places and meet new friends. One sunny morning, he decided to venture into the forest beyond the village. As Bunny hopped along the forest path, he stumbled upon a sparkling stream. The water as Bunny hopped along the forest path. He stumbled upon a sparkling stream. The water glistened under the sunlight, and Bunny could not resist taking a sip. Suddenly, he heard a soft voice from the bushes. Hello, hello there, little bunny, the voice whispered. Bunny looked around and spotted a teeny frog peeking out from behind the leaves. Hello, Bunny, chirped cheerfully. I am Bunny. Who are you? I am Freddy the frog, replied the frog with a croak. What brings you to our forest? Bunny said, I am exploring. Bunny exclaimed, I love discovering new places and making new friends. Freddy's eye lit up and excitement. Well, you are in luck. The forest is full of wonders and I had be delighted to show you around. And so, Bunny and Freddy become fast friends. Together, they hopped through the forest, encountering all sorts of creatures, squirrels gathering nuts, butterflies dancing in the air, and even a wise old owl perched high in the tree. As the sun began to set, Bunny realized it was time to head back home. Thank you for the wonderful adventure, Freddy, Bunny said with a smile. I can't wait to explore more of the forest with you. Freddy grinned from ear to ear. Anytime, Bunny. Just remember, the forest is full of magic and friendship. Come back anytime you want to embark on a new adventure. With a wave goodbye, Bunny hopped back toward the village, his heart brimming with joy and his mind filled with memories of his enchanting day in the forest. And so Bunny and Freddy the frog continued to explore the wonders of the forest, their friendship growing stronger with each passing day. And as long as there were new places to discover and new friends to meet, their adventures would never end.